Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix itch.io installer no such file or directory error. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want. If you have the setup, you can just delete that. To be honest, it's just not going to be any use at this point, because you'll have to go ahead and re-download itch.io from the browser itself. Simply go ahead and download the application right over here. If you have for Windows, you can click on for Windows, it's going to download. If you have it for Mac or Linux, make sure that you are not mistakenly downloading the wrong OS software. For example, downloading Mac OS software for Windows, or just Linux for Windows, or Windows for Mac, so that is about it. That might be the biggest problem that you might have. However, when re-downloading and reinstalling it, it's just not going to have that problem anymore. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.